Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In the previous lesson, we had discussed about the irreversible and reversible reactions and chemical equilibrium. And in today's video, we are discussing macroscopic characteristics of forward and reverse reaction, as well as macroscopic characteristics of dynamic equilibrium. First, we are going to discuss the macroscopic characteristics of forward and reverse reaction. Forward reaction reactants react to form products. In the forward reaction, when we combine something to make new substances, those substances are called reactants, and reactants are combined together to make new substances. But in reverse reaction, products react to produce the reactants back. प्रोडक्ट्स आपस में दोबारा से रिकम्बाइन करते हैं और वो वापस हमें रिएक्टेंट्स दे देते हैं, वो सब्सटेंसेस जो शुरू में हमने मिलाकर प्रोडक्ट्स बनाए थे. देन फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट. यस, whenever we write down a chemical reaction, reactants are on the left side and products are on the right side, and reversible reaction is always shown by the double arrows which are in opposite direction. So when we write down the reaction for forward reaction, the arrow is always like this, so it is from left to right. But in case of reverse reaction, it takes place from right to left, as the products are recombined to form reactants back, so it is always in this form, from right to left. Then rate of reaction is very fast in the beginning. During a reversible reaction, rate of forward reaction is always fast in the beginning because concentration of reacting substances is very high. As the concentration is higher, particles more collide with each other, so rate of reaction is fast. Rate of reaction is negligible in the beginning in case of reverse reaction. क्यों? इसलिए कि जब रिवर्स रिएक्शन होता है तो शुरू में चूंकि प्रोडक्ट्स की क्वांटिटी थोड़ी है, the concentration of product is lesser, so as the reacting substances are lesser in their amount, the rate of reaction will be slower, negligible, ना होने के बराबर, इतना slow. Then it's in the forward reaction, it slows down gradually. ये आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इसकी स्पीड कम होने लगती है. उसकी रीज़न ये है कि as the substances are combined together to make the products, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता जो concentration of reactants है वो कम होती जाती है. If the concentration is lesser, then rate of reaction will become slower. तो चूंकि साथ साथ reactants consume होते जा रहे हैं, तो rate of reaction भी slow होता जाएगा. In the reverse reaction, it speeds up gradually. With the passage of time, more and more products are being formed. So when they are recombined together, their concentration is becoming higher and higher continuously. So the rate of reaction will become faster. With the passage of time, rate of reverse reaction तेज होता जाएगा क्योंकि products की quantity ज़्यादा है. Now we are going to discuss about the macroscopic characteristics of dynamic equilibrium. The first characteristic is dynamic equilibrium is only achievable in a closed system. Actually, there are certain chemical reactions which are taking place if in the open air, then the results would be different. And if they are in the closed system, then the results would be different. For example, if we have this reaction, calcium carbonate, it's a white solid, strongly heat it, a white solid calcium oxide is formed along with colorless gas, carbon dioxide. It is evolved out. If this reaction is taking place in the open air, then the product will be calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas, and the reaction will be completed after a certain period of time, and this would be irreversible reaction. But if we take the same reaction in a closed system where carbon dioxide gas is not supposed to go out, then the results would be different. For example, we have taken this reaction in a closed system. In the beginning, calcium carbonate will be heated up, it will be decomposed into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide gas. But as the system is closed, carbon dioxide is not leaving the system, it is inside the reaction mixture. So after a period of time, this carbon dioxide will be recombined with calcium oxide, and again we will get calcium carbonate in the reaction mixture. So now we are removing this sign because it was the symbol of carbon dioxide being evolved out. But as the system is closed, carbon dioxide is remained inside the system, so we have removed that arrow. So in this case, we have got reversible reaction. First, the reactants were converted into products, but after a certain period of time, products have been recombined to form the reactants back. Reaction does not stop. In the beginning, reaction rate of forward reaction is fast, but after some time, rate of reverse reaction becomes faster because of concentration of products is more. But there is a time when rate of forward reaction becomes equal to rate of reverse reaction. There is no net change in the concentration of any of the substance. We get all the reactants and products in a specific quantity in the reaction mixture at dynamic equilibrium, but reaction is not stopped. It is just like that कि एक काम हो रहा है लेकिन नेट रिजल्ट जीरो है. आप मुसलसल आगे भी मूव करें, पीछे भी मूव करें, लेकिन आपके पास अल्टीमेटली रिजल्ट, नेट रिजल्ट आपका ज़ीरो होगा, क्योंकि उसमें आपकी उस एक्टिविटी में कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा, आपकी पोजीशन में कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा, लेकिन रिएक्शन हो रहा है. सेम इज़ द केस विद दिस. रिएक्शन हो रहा है, स्टॉप नहीं है, लेकिन आपकी प्रोडक्ट्स में और रिएक्टेंट्स की कंसंट्रेशन में कोई चेंज नहीं आ रहा. Amounts of reactants and products do not change because at one time reactants are converted into products, and at the same time products are converted back into the reactants. So there is no change in the concentration of reactants and products. Equilibrium state is attainable from either way. Either we take the reaction from left to right, that is from reactant to product, और वी आर टेकिंग द रिएक्शन फ्रॉम प्रोडक्ट टू द रिएक्टेंट बैक. यानी हम फॉरवर्ड रिएक्शन की तरफ से ऑब्जर्व करें रिएक्शन को, या रिवर्स रिएक्शन की तरफ से ऑब्जर्व करें. जो इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट है दैट विल बी अटेन्ड अल्टीमेटली एट अ स्पेसिफिक टाइम. देन इक्विलिब्रियम स्टेट कैन बी डिस्टर्ब्ड बाय चेंजिंग द कंडीशन ऑफ कंसंट्रेशन, टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर. अगर एक दफ़ा आपके रिएक्शन रिवर्सिबल रिएक्शन में इक्विलिब्रियम आ गया है, लेकिन आप चाहते हैं कि आप रिएक्टेंट्स मज़ीद चाहते हैं, आप कोई एक ऐसा सब्सटेंस है जो आप मज़ीद प्रोड्यूस करना चाहते हैं, आप भी चाहते हैं कि रिएक्शन को मज़ीद प्रोसीड करना चाहिए, तो यू कैन डिस्टर्ब द डायनामिक इक्विलिब्रियम बाय चेंजिंग द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ रिएक्टेंट्स, प्रोडक्ट्स, बाय चेंजिंग द कंडीशन ऑफ टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर एटसेट्रा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी हैव दिस रिएक्शन, if we remove some calcium oxide from here at equilibrium state, calcium carbonate will be again converted into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Rate of forward reaction will be increased. Reaction will move in the forward direction until the concentrations of calcium carbonate, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide are becoming constant. If we remove some calcium carbonate from here, reaction will move in the backward direction until equilibrium state is attained. So by disturbing the dynamic equilibrium, we can change the concentration of reactants and products. We can attain more either of the product or reactant which we want. हम जिस भी रिएक्टेंट या प्रोडक्ट को ज़्यादा प्रोड्यूस करना चाहें, हम इक्विलिब्रियम को डिस्टर्ब करके हम उसको अटेन कर सकते हैं. एंड इफ़ वी हैव गैसियस फिनोमेना, तो हम गैसेस पर प्रेशर को अप्लाई करके कम या ज़्यादा करके इसी तरह रिएक्शन को फॉरवर्डली या बैकवर्डली मूव करा. गाइस गॉट इट. इंशाल्लाह इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल स्टडी अबाउट लॉ ऑफ मास एक्शन. टिल देन, अल्लाह हाफिज़.